Welcome back to another episode of She Is Cooked. Today I am throwing it back. I mean, way back. If you recognize this product, you're probably an OG. It's been off the market for a while, however, it doesn't mean that it wasn't amazing. I adored the Boondocks blunts. So now that I'm cooked, I'm sure you're probably wondering what I'm making. And today I am making a Campfire Queso. Now let's mix that all up. I put one entire taco seasoning packet inside and then mix that all in as well. Gotta add the black beans. Mix it up and look at those beautiful colors all together. Now for our cheeses, we've got sharp cheddar as well as the beautiful jalapeno Havarti. Mix, mix, mix. Time to add in some salsa. I personally enjoy adding the mild version just so everybody at the party can enjoy. Let it sit and bubble for a little bit. The only way to know if something is done is to try it yourself, so I'm dunking a chip and it looks perfect to me. Y'all know I just had to try it on a hot dog. There you have it, Campfire Queso. Thanks for joining me on She Is Cooked.